Plans to hold a public forum on the issue in the next few weeks. Backers expect to vote on it before Thanksgiving.
Some local small business owners are working to help others be successful. Juan Rodriguez came to the U.S. from Colombia 7 years ago. He didn't know the language nor the customs, but he got a job at Drake University and started taking English as a second language classes. In 2004, Rodriguez started his own company, Diversity Insurance.
When I started my business, we start from home. The first month we got 30 customers, so the company asked to move to our office, and we started with 30 customers in 1 month, but we grow fast, and now we have more than 3,000 customers. It's very amazing.
Diversity Insurance is one of the sponsors of the Immigrant Entrepreneur Summit. It's coming up on Saturday, November 13th from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. It's being held at Drake University's Olmsted Center. You can attend workshops on everything from applying for loans to marketing. For more information, visit www.iesusa.org.
So many times this summer when it rained,